Let's go. I'm here to share something which is very close to my heart. I'm not going to use the word like launch or anything because I think it's too big for something that I am aiming right now. But I'm here to actually start this kind of series on my channel. In one word, if I have to say, I'm here to share my vision for KS. KS is my baby, if I can put it in one word. It felt like the right time to start because I also like believe a lot in just going for things that come in my head without like thinking much, because if I feel mentally I'm ready for it, I just dive right into it. I would actually give credit to one of the girls who watches my videos. Her name is Sakshi Tiwari. I had this conversation with her on like Instagram where I was talking to her and she asked me, where do you see yourself in the future? So I told her that I want to start something of my own, So she asked me like what exactly. So I told her that I love designing. I am very passionate about clothing as such also. So maybe I'll start my own brand. So she asked me, oh, have you thought about the name? So I was like just thinking. I said, no, not really. She said, do you want to keep it the Life Hut? I was like, no, not really. Then she said, can I give a suggestion? And I was like, yeah, please, sure, give it to me. So she said KAY. She just typed KAY space ES. And literally just reading it, I was like, what is this? Like, I don't understand what is this. Like it sounded very Spanish to me. So I was like, what is KAY space ES? And she just typed two letters, which is K and S. And that just struck me that how brilliant this name is for me, because I told her that I would want, it to have a part of me. So I don't want to keep something like, I don't know, apple, mango, or like oranges, or the names that go around for like brands per se. And I also thought like I never wanted my name to be the brand name. So when I heard this, I was like blown away. I was like, oh my god, this is like perfect. But ever since then, whenever I envision this, always KS has been in my head. So like I see it with that name always. So yeah, it felt very natural to me to name it KS. So, but I'll give Sakshi the credit. 10 years from now is a very like huge, time frame. I don't know where will I see 10 years from now, but definitely like I see it growing. I see it being liked by people. I see it as a place where people find their sort of style and their sort of comfort in a clothing, but yet like make it like chic and fashion. I definitely see it starting in like about 6 months. Right now, yes, I'm starting with my YouTube journey with it, but I still feel it's too early to just jump right into it with like everything in place and e-commerce platform as such. Thought process would be, I always wanted to be a like fashion designer when I was a kid. My goal and my dream till even 11th and 12th was always like being into fashion and designing. And ever since then, it has been like a journey in understanding my own style and understanding what I really want to do with the passion that I have for fashion as such. So that is from where that bud like that kida in you that I want to do this in life. Like if I think about my life, like what I really want to do, number one would be definitely making a difference in somebody's life, in anybody's life that I can through the work that I do on YouTube. And second would be to build clothing line, a brand. I don't know when and how to go about it, but yeah, just since the past like 4-5 months, it has been taking a space in my head like a lot. So I just thought that if it is really so much in me right now and I have so much of passion to just go for it, then what am I waiting for? I mean, so I just thought of like going right into it and maybe like starting with a series on my YouTube. So hence here I am. feel the things that I really gravitate towards is like jackets or like shirts like tucked in on a jeans, or say pants, like, you know, flared up pants. Very sophisticated street look, but still very, you know, stylish and chic. I am not somebody who gravitates a lot towards like feminine pieces. I love wearing dresses, but dresses which have like, you know, flair to it, which has a very comfy fit to it. Definitely not somebody who can, you know, carry forward those skin hugging long sort of dresses, or you know, those petite tops and stuff like that. I come from a place where I love to go the traditional way, and I feel in fashion the traditional way still lies in the illustrations. But I am somebody who comes from that school of thought where I think, you know, just the fact that you can combine art with something which is a reality, which is something you wear in your real life, I think the combination works really beautifully for me. I want basically for you to be a part of the journey of every single piece that, you know, comes on the platform. I basically started with making an illustration of the vision or the kind of style that I had in my mind for as the first garment. It'd be like kind of a document of like every single garment that goes up, because it will have the fabric, it will have the trims that I used, it will have by trims I mean like buttons, or maybe like zip, or maybe like some tassels, or anything that is used in a garment, maybe even thread for that matter. If there's a particular thread that is used for a specific garment, everything will be in this, you know, A3 size sheet. A white pant with high-waisted and a similar you know, cord set of crop top with the same fabric, of course. So yeah, now coming to the fabric, I think it's one thing to just think about what you have in your head, and another thing to find the right fabric to, you know, support your design. Fabric is something which plays a huge role. So for pants, I really wanted that something should be there that will make the pants fall very smoothly and very nicely. So that was in my head. Plus I wanted the same fabric for the crop top. So, you know, just thinking about it, that the crop top should not be like, the fabric should not be too thick, because then it's not, you know, wearable as such, or because it's a crop top, you will definitely wear it in more like summers or like, you know, the fall season sort of a thing, which you can pair it with like jackets or something. So that was in my head, that it should not be too thick, whereas pant fabrics are a bit thick. So to find that, you know, perfect balance between both of them was a challenge, but I did, and finally found this beautiful gorgeous fabric, white color. So the next step is definitely to find you know, the right person who really understands your vision and can implement it, because it's one thing to be a designer, but another thing to work with a team who actually, you know, understands what you're looking for, and finding that perfect balanced relationship between me as a designer and the manufacturer. So that was something I was lucky with. I found the perfect people who, you know, really understood my vision and were ready to collaborate with me and work on this you know, KS journey with me. So platform, if anybody wants to like know about the collection and everything, I think Instagram, like my own personal Instagram, would be a great place for it, and also my YouTube channel, and for like daily updates or anything, I think Instagram stories would be a great place. I will be launching with the website very soon, so if anybody wants to place their orders, it'll be open to placing orders after that. Yes, it is. Yeah, I am wearing it right now, as you guys can see.
Take a dive in the deep and baby, skies are blue and your trunks are navy. I love you, but you don't know, honey.
So I'm super excited to even, you know, pair it up in different ways. When I will be, you know, making an entire collection, I'll also be showing how to style every piece. I just cannot wait for the rest of them. The second garment is literally in manufacturing right now. It's in the process. I really wanted to bring something for the Diwali season, like something special for just Diwali, because I made a Diwali lookbook last year and a lot of people wanted to know where did I get the outfits from. So I really wanted to document one outfit at least that I can just tell people that you can either go to this place, this is the fabric that I used, or if you really don't have time, if you really want, you can even place the orders and you will get the garment ready to wear. So the second one is going to be a Diwali special outfit. I don't want anything to be wasted in the process. So we'll be following the concept of slow fashion, which means that when the order will be placed, it's only then that the manufacturing and the process of each garment will start. Every garment that we made will be made with the purpose of usage. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am super excited for the next, the second episode of this KS series, which will be up very soon, because this is the Diwali special one. If you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram for all the updates and all the collection pictures and everything that's coming up. Yep, I am super excited for it. I hope you guys are too, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.